Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to add sound to a Discord server. So, let's get started. First of all, you need to open Discord. Then, right-click on the server where you want to add sound. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Server Settings. Then new window will appear. In this window, select Soundbar. Then here click on Add Sound. An options window will appear. Now, before you dive into all the options, make sure you check condition on the top. Your file should be in MP3, WAV, or OGG format. The file size should not exceed 512 kilobytes. This should not longer than 5 seconds. Ensure that your sound file meets these conditions, or it won't be added to the Discord sound bar. Now, you can add your sound file. To add the sound, click on Browse. A window will appear, allowing you to browse and select your sound file. Once you've selected your sound, you can click, hold, and drag the side markers to set the start and end points of your sound. You can click the play button to preview your sound. Next, give your sound a name. For example, I'll name it NCS. Then, here you can select a related emoji, and from here you can set the volume of your sound. After that, click on Upload. After this, return to the home page. Under Voice Channels, click on the sound icon. In the bottom left corner, a menu will appear. Here, you can see the sound bar icon. Click on it. Now, you can see that the sound has been added to the sound bar. Congratulations! You've learned how to add sound on Discord. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.